Anna, before we get started with this video, can we just take a moment to appreciate the fact that it is officially Christmas time? I mean, technically no, we still have Thanksgiving to get through, but I'm sitting in front of a camera showing a Christmas decor haul, so in my mind, in my world, it's Christmas, and I cannot believe we are freaking here. Yes. So as you can tell, today I'm going to show you a lot of Christmas home decor. I went ham. Not only this is a Christmas home decor and decorate with me kind of video, but it's also all very, very affordable, and you'll be surprised. For the first part of this video, I'm going to go over every single thing I purchased. I went to 3 stores. I went to Walmart, Marshalls, and Target. By far, Marshalls is where it's at. Also Walmart, you'll be surprised. For this year, my theme for Christmas, slightly bohemian, definitely Scandinavian, minimalistic Christmas decor, meaning there's nothing bright and red. In here, it's all natural colors, green, brown, white, and also as far as materials, I'm all about the organic stuff. You'll see. You're just gonna notice that I don't have anything classy, cheesy Christmas, and that's the reason why. Just gonna grab things around me. The first thing that I have right here, Christmas tree topper. It's from Walmart. It's $12.99. Yeah, it's just gonna go on top of the tree. The next item I have, well, it doesn't look super interesting. It's a wreath and it was only $2.88. I plan on doing big things with it. I'll show you later what I'm gonna add to it, but the fact that this is only $2.88 is insane because I look at wreaths and they're like at least $20. With a little bit of a DIY help, it's gonna end up looking amazing. Next up, I guess one of my biggest and most amazing purchases is this Christmas tree collar. So I'm not doing a Christmas tree skirt, and so I'm gonna do this one. You guys, this is from Walmart and it was $19.98, so $20. How stunning. But again, organic materials, it's the thing that we're going for this year. I picked up this garland from Walmart, $15. I didn't know garlands were so expensive, like $15 for this. It has some really cute pine cones, and that is it. Only pine cones, because again, I'm not going for a crazy theme over here. Oh yes, this one of my favorite finds, again from Walmart. They're $6 or $5.98 each. They're wooden beads. Can you believe the beauty of these? I picked up these ornaments. They're simple clear glass ornaments. They are so cute. I really like them, and I got in different sizes. What else do we have? This little guy from Marshalls was $9.99. This is a concrete pot, which I think it's super cute, and it's obviously fake. The only actual decoration that it has is the little pine cones over here. From Marshalls as well, I got these 2 candles. This one is a wooden wick candle, and it kind of smells like tobacco, pine tree. It smells like being in a cabin, like smoky firewood, fireplace, but fresh at the same time. The only reason why I got this is because I love wooden with candles. When you light them, you can hear literally the wood from it cracking, and it's such a mood. And I also got this giant candle. Again, this one is definitely more for decorative purposes. This one is going to go in my coffee table, and it smells so fresh. It has 4 wicks and it is gigantic. I don't know, it just has like Christmas stuff going around it. I didn't get much at Target. I did order 2 things for store pickup, and that is just about the cutest Santa Claus mugs. I cannot wait to put them on my coffee bar. Cannot wait to drink my morning coffee in this little peppermint mocha coffee. Oh my gosh, yes. I have another bag from Target right here. I didn't get much from there. From the dollar section, I got this little guy. Actually, everything in this bag is from the dollar section. So I got this one. It was $5. Also this one was $3. I also got this one, which I thought was so cute. This one was $5, but it has a little light, artificial candlelight on the inside, so it lights up at night. It's gonna be so pretty. I just got 2 plain garlands from Walmart. These were $2.76 each. They're 9-foot garlands. I feel like just garlands in general, it's always a great idea to set the mood and set them around the house and make it look really pretty. Got this little guy to hold the wreath that's gonna go on my door. I also got at Marshalls a sweater for my dog. Sadly, it was too big for him, but I thought it was gonna be a whole mood. I'm gonna have to return it, but hey, if you ever wanna go to Marshalls and get a dog sweater, this one's super cute. These guys over here next to me are the decorative pillows that I'm gonna use for my living room. I like the detail on the edges right here. Goes back to the theme of having organic materials, and I feel like it really matches the material on this guy over here. They're festive, but not overly festive. I mean, are they even festive just because they're green? Once I put it all together, it's for sure gonna look festive. From Walmart, I got this little bag of pine cones, and these are, they're cinnamon scented. I plan on having them Inside this guy, this one I got from Marshall's. It was $15 and it's so cheap. So this one I'm gonna have in the middle of my dining table with some of these pine cones on the inside. And remember that wooden wick candle I told you, it's also gonna go like that. Genius, I know. Other than the clear glass ornaments, I picked up a buttload of these. Like, I have a bag full of them. This is honestly the only stuff I'm gonna decorate my tree with. The best part is that you just clip them onto your tree. These were only $1.49 each. I have another bag yet again full of those ornaments. I'm not including the tree in this haul or the lights because I had to order one from Amazon that it's gonna take a little bit to get in. I can't show you my tree. You're gonna see again on the second part of this video. I just have a bunch of stuff from Marshall's to show you, just like random home decor stuff, so let's dive into it. This one I'm excited for. Again, I have plans for my coffee bar, so I picked up this peppermint peppermint bar syrup. This is sugar-free, calorie-free syrup. And also, I debated doing this, but I picked up the set of 4 glasses from Marshall's. The set was $6.99. It was so cheap. And they're just honestly good old regular plastic cups with candy canes. I'm gonna be making a lot of matcha lattes in these cups. For stockings, I am so obsessed because that was the one thing I was struggling with the most, finding something that is not cheesy. And I found these 2 adorable ones from Marshall's. They were $12.99 each. These 2 totally set the mood and tie in everything like together. Moving on to a lot of textile. So this is probably the cheesiest thing I got, and it's not that cheesy. This is a table runner for my dining room table. I don't know if you can tell by the reflection. It has some gold details in it, but I feel like it looks very fancy. For the kitchen, I picked up some kitchen towels. This one again goes perfectly with my theme. They're green, they're white, they're festive. It's got little frayed finishing at the bottom. And I also pick up the set of 4 rags, just like for cleaning or just having by the oven in general. This is the last thing I have to show you. It's so sad. How cute is she? This is my living room blanket. A nice, good old cheesy Christmas tree blanket. And by the way, this is so cozy. So excited. Now for the second part of this video, you're gonna come with me and we're gonna decorate for Christmas. If you watched my fall home decor video, you would have seen me put all of this decor up for fall, but you know what? It's time to move on. So take a good look at my place before it becomes a little winter wonderland. So it's been a couple of days, actually about a week since I decorated for Christmas, and I've been just waiting for the perfect lighting in this house to show you, and we're having the most amazing golden hour light. So let's take a tour and let me show you how everything ended up looking like. Christmas vibes in this house are absolutely stunning. I am so happy and so glad you got to be a part of it. I consider my minimal Christmas theme pretty successful. Again, I was going for very organic and natural colors slash materials and nothing too crazy. Hope it give you a little bit of inspiration, and also know that obviously, like you saw, you don't need to spend a lot of money to get your house looking nice. Every single store, like you saw in the haul, was very affordable, and I hope this served as inspiration in case you haven't decorated for Christmas yet. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you around for many more videos. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye!